How to use Seal Epoxy Ultimate Putty. First, read all the directions. You're going to want to know how to handle this putty like a pro because it dries super strong. What you'll need: cutting board, not that kind, this kind, and a knife. No, a utility or putty knife should do the trick. Now, pay attention. Clean the area. You'll want to use acetone or lacquer thinner to remove grease, oil, and dirt, but never use alcohol or any cleaner that leaves a petroleum residue. If there's rust, remove as much as possible with light sandpaper. Lastly, make sure the area that's about to be repaired is dry. Ready? Take the putty out of the tube and remove the plastic wrapper. Keep the plastic wrapper. You're going to need that later. Cut the desired amount of putty. You won't need much because it only takes a little bit to create the ultimate bond. Activating and applying. Work the putty with your fingers until it becomes a solid color. Now it's activated and ready to go. Apply the ultimate epoxy putty to the area that's being repaired. Press it firmly into place. Setting and curing times. Seal Epoxy Ultimate Putty sets in just 2 to 4 minutes after activation. It fully cures in 24 hours. After curing, it can be sanded, drilled, and painted. Cleanup and storage. Uncured Seal Epoxy Ultimate Putty is soft and can be cleaned up with acetone and a dry cloth. You can also use lacquer thinner, but never use alcohol or water. Store in a cool, dry place. So there you have it. Now you're ready to tackle the ultimate repair jobs with Seal Epoxy Ultimate Putty.